I'm a genius. Probably should get rid of this, maybe.
Get rid of what?
This looks dirty. Looks like I got a dirty stash.
That hurt?
I can just videotape this.
Oh my god.
Jesus, you're not even that old, dude.
Shut up, I feel old.
Well, you look old.
I'm stuck.
Hold on, let me lift the car for you.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
I was just trying to take a picture.
I know.
You got to get your head behind that. You got to squat down. You're the engine. You are the power plant. Come on, do it.
At the moment, I have the JJ, yes. So what are we doing today?
You tell me.
I'll get the motor out, the engine.
Get the engine out.
Get the engine out, cradle.
Get the engine out, cradle, front suspension.
And then start stripping the engine bay, I guess.
Do you got the same junk lug nuts? You got the same junk lug nuts?
Those come, I've already had those off. Those will come off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start with the wheels, probably is a good idea. 20 degrees outside. I got it about 50 in the shop.
Just still too cold.
Chris thinks it's too cold. Chris is a female. Christina.
At the moment, I have the JJ, yes. It's just I'm cold.
Nobody wants to see your vajayjay. Put it away.
Here, have a tire.
I don't want that tire.
No, it's not trash. DOT can kiss my ass.
Go ahead and do that.
Just so I don't get wild hair and be like, no, I didn't.
Drop more than my end.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull. I'd say you're going pretty smooth, dude.
It's not usually this good though.
Right, because it's cold.
Yeah, that's probably a good point.
You've got contact, we're down. We're gonna have to lift way up.
Alright, let's try this again.
Lifting car, take 2. That should probably do it. Lots of little action.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, go about 3 more. Forgot the line here is kind of screwing us. I'm going to hold this caliper up. That's fine.
Spot fit?
No, I just snagged the wire. It was a little bit tight.
There's where all the magic happens, right there. It don't look all that pretty, but it's all new inside. This guy right here.
Magic.
It's hard to see it when it's in the car, but definitely not a small turbo.
What is the turbo?
It's a Precision 5831.
5831.
Gonna be upgraded to a Precision, maybe not Precision, but a 6260.
You are going to, you're not putting this turbo back on this car?
Probably not.
Okay. What's the turbo you're putting on support horsepower wise?
Up to like 800.
Up to 800?
I
Is
think
that your goal, 800?
No, 600 is my goal.
600 at the wheels.
At the wheels.
So you'll be around 700 at the crank, hopefully?
Somewhere around there, yeah.
Okay. What
I really don't have a horsepower goal. I have an ET goal. So
your ET goal is 10?
10 seconds or better.
10.9?
10.9 is 10 seconds.
No, that's almost 11.
Yeah. But,
okay. And what's the fastest the car's been?
12.5.
12.5?
At 106.
So you got a little work to do.
But it blew up halfway.
Yeah, dude, it blew up at the end.
That's when all the smoke was coming out. It quit pulling.
Did it? Quit pulling?
And then, sadly enough, I didn't have the data logger on. So.
Yeah, I mean, you never run your data logger. I don't think you've ever ran it for a run.
Yeah, I have. It literally was a Fast and Furious moment because I have a tablet in there that has all my gauges. Everything lit up red. Said danger to manifold.
Danger to manifold.
Yeah.
Jesus. There really is cat puke all over this thing. Look at that. That's disgusting. Okay, so you're gonna relocate the turbo now. You're not putting it back. You're gonna put it.
That's my plan, yes.
Where are you gonna put it?
It's gonna be over here.
You're gonna put it right above the transmission?
Yeah.
Probably gonna have to build a heat shield.
Eh.
Probably a good idea to build a heat shield. Isn't there like nylon bushings and stuff on your shift cable ends and things?
Just here, yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of important
But
to be tight.
it's not gonna be like straight down here. It's gonna be
Still gonna get hot,
this
dude.
way. Yeah.
You don't want to do a money shift because your stuff's melted.
True. Or you should do a reverse or an endo.
Yeah, it will do an endo too, as light as this thing is in the back.
Yeah.
You're going out the hood with the exhaust? You're gonna go up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And even if I don't relocate it, I'm probably gonna do that anyways, because on the car, the windshield cowl is gonna be, all the windshield wiper stuff's gonna be gone. So I think that exhaust will be able to come up just right here.
Okay.
So,
When you move it, it's gonna come up basically right in front of the master cylinder filler.
About this area.
Probably
right here.
want to build a heat shield around that.
Yeah. I'm gonna use it, figure out something else to use for a coolant reservoir. I already do all the brake lines. The rear brakes are not going to be attached to the pedal. It's going to be on a staging brake, so I'm going to be just stopping on the front brakes. I'll figure out some way to upgrade the front brakes also, because the brakes on a base model COBALT suck.
Yes. You're leaving the stock headlights in?
Not these ones. I got a set of stock ones.
Oh, you're putting these in your other car.
Yeah.
And what are you doing? You're putting your fuel cell up front?
Yeah,
and
the fuel cell is going to be mounted either on this side or this side.
you're going to put it where your window washer tank is, maybe?
Maybe.
That's
probably.
pretty big.
Battery's going to be on
Just
one
use that for your fuel tank.
Yeah.
Is that allowed?
I don't think
That's
so.
probably not allowed.
I don't think it's,
You blow a tire, that's going to go bad.
yeah, but battery's going to go on one side, and then the fuel cell's going to go on the other side.
Gotcha.
Probably a 2 gallon, 2.5 gallon, just enough to get it
Down the
fast.
track. You're still going front mount intercooler, or you're going to try to go air to water?
No, I'm going to keep the front
You're
mount.
going to keep the front mount?
It's a nice intercooler.
Yeah. You're going to go with a smaller radiator? You're going to put
Yes.
a little one in there?
Yeah, maybe a little Honda radiator or
I
something.
think, you have to look at how your grill is set up exactly. You might be able to put something like here. Build
Yeah.
some brackets, put a little one here, maybe 2 small ones. Like, I got a couple 450R radiators. We could maybe put a couple 4-wheeler radiators on it.
I'm getting a tubing bender. Also probably going to cut this bar out
And tube it.
and tube it there. So I can
free up
tilt
some
the motor
room.
forward a little bit more.
Even more.
Yeah. I've got
Yeah, that might work.
Ecotech COBALT build book, and that's where I got that idea from. It's what they do in their Phase 5 COBALT.
Gotcha.
But I'm not trying to build a Phase 5 COBALT.
You're building a Chris Olson
I'm
oddball.
building an oddball. So,
You're definitely an oddball, so
but
it will
still
go
got-
well.
Still got a lot of work to do. Getting excited.
Well, we got a few more hours. Want to get to stripping this engine bay?
Yeah.
Get all the stripping done. Basically, we've got the whole interior gutted. Maybe cut a couple more studs. I think I got most of them that first night. But get the front end gutted. We can pop the headlights off it too, since you're gonna put them on your other car. And one day we'll just swap everything onto your other car.
I really want to kind of put the turbo on the other car. Just for
Leave
design.
it alone. You do not need 2 money pits, dude. Just leave it alone.
Yeah, luckily
You've got it
it's-
tuned. It runs nice. It gets better mileage than it did from the factory.
Can't do shit
You
with
can leave it alone. You have this. This is your race car. That's your daily. Trust me.
Okay, all right.
Leave it alone.
What do you guys think?
Leave it alone.
I'm
Please.
gonna put a poll up.
Oh God. Please say
I
leave it
already know how
alone.
that's gonna go.
Well, like 2 people are gonna vote, so I'm gonna vote twice. I'm gonna make
You're
more
gonna vote.
accounts.
Make a fake account.
All right, let's get to work.
Did you get a good shot of this before?
Good shot of this.
Just kind of what's in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully the
Brake
next-
booster. Lighting is terrible. You're getting rid of the brake booster. You're gonna try anyway,
We'll
right?
try, yeah.
Get rid of the brake booster. Get rid of this distribution block up here for the brake lines. Cap off the rear brake lines.
No, I'll remove the rear brake lines because when I do the staging,
I mean, you're gonna-
I'll have all new.
Right, you're gonna remove the brake lines, but you're gonna have to cap
yeah.
this somehow.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. It's really not that much to take out of here. It's just your coolant tank, your window washer tank, and some lines and some wiring. That's about it. It's not much to do.
Yeah, all the headlights out.
All these, well, what goes in these brackets? Radiator?
Radiator.
No? Gotta leave those, I suppose. Well, not really. You're gonna do something else with your radiator, but
Yeah.
that's later on down the road. All right, let's get to work.
All right.
Okay, so Project Oddbalt. Project Oddbalt is torn down.
Yeah.
Completely done with teardown. We've actually started on the build a little bit. That's coming later.
Superb weld job there, but
Yeah, it is what it is.
It's
It's
good.
really, really crappy. The only thing left on the teardown, actually, we still have to do the windows because
yeah.
they got to come out. But that's going to be its own video. Might do a how-to plastic windows, a little Saran wrap.
Saran wrap. Go buy a bunch of rolls of cellophane or whatever saran wrap stuff is.
And there's my cat.
There's the cat. He wants to say hello in the video. I don't know what to say.
Like our videos, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Is that the best you got?
No?
Hey, if you like what you see, if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, share, tell all your friends about us. If you got any advice for us or anything we can do better, hit us up in the comments. And we'll see you next time on WOT Racing. And I gotta go.